This police officer has allegedly killed over 6 people in different communities, and these are the people that she has insured through insurance claims and also accidental covers. From the information that we received earlier, it is believed that she has so far received a payout of over 10 million rand from the year of 2019. So from what we are receiving from the officers, every year from 2019 there has been someone that has been, killed in mysterious ways, and she has been benefiting from those claims, and she has been called another Rosemary, as you'd understand that we've had quite a similar case to this one. So we waited for her this morning at just closer to the station, as she was expected to return from leave and report to this particular police station, and now she has been apprehended, and the police have actually given her, told her about
of a lengthy investigation by Captain Keshi Mabunda. He was approached on the allegations that this particular police officer is involved in insurance-related murders. So we then roped in Captain Keshi Mabunda because of his expertise in solving similar cases. So he has been investigating this matter. He roped in insurance companies, various banks and so on. He collected all information, analyzed it, and then we obtained a warrant of arrest. We are quite confident that we have a strong case. But from the SAPS's side, we are quite disappointed. As a police officer, you are entrusted with the responsibility of serving and protecting the people of this country. When a person such as a police officer then abuses powers conferred upon them, it's really it's a disgrace. It's an absolute disgrace. We are here. We are sending out a stern warning to everyone, and we are stamping the authority of the state, saying we are also looking within. If anyone is found to be in the wrong, to be involved in criminal activities within the service, we will take the necessary action. So far, our investigation has revealed that she is at least linked to 6 murders. Some of these people were from disadvantaged backgrounds, destitute. Some of them were mentally challenged. Some were disabled, and so on. And I believe that they were known to her, and these are people that trusted her. I mean, when you see a person donning the blue uniform, you could only expect them to lead by example. So she abused her powers as a police officer, and today we are saying it's over. It's over. We are not afraid as the SAPS if we find criminality within our ranks to change the blue to the orange uniform, and that is what we are doing today.
I mean, it's quite concerning, considering the fact that this is another, police officer. We have heard of Rosemary before, which then raises concerns rather about these issues. This could possibly be more prevalent, particularly, within SAPS, or also in such communities, in Limpopo to be quite specific.
Look, that is why we are working closely with the insurance companies broadly. And we have made a call to the insurance companies to say, create systems in place to detect if people are frequently, cashing in on funeral policies, on insurance policies. If you detect any fraud-related activity or any criminal-related activity on your insurance policies, we are here. We have at head office established a team that is being assembled. The lead investigator there is Captain Keshi Mabunda, obviously because of his expertise in solving similar cases. So we are at this stage throughout the country having about 30 cases. We've got some in the Eastern Cape that we are investigating. We have in Northwest, you would have known that Agnes Setwanto is now going on trial in January. She has been linked to at least 2 murders, one of her niece, one of her biological son. We've also taken down Rosemary Ndlovu, who used to be one of us. She was dismissed following the case that she was involved in. She's received about 6 life sentences and more than 200 years in jail. So we are stamping the authority of the state, and we are saying not in our name.
Do we by any chance know that this particular officer, the 6 murders that are attached to her at this point, was she related to any of the victims?
At this stage, we know that she was not related. These were just community members that trusted her. Like I've indicated, a police officer is someone you look up to secure your safety. These are people that were vulnerable, destitute, disadvantaged, and what is disturbing is that they were known to her. We are stamping the authority of the state, and we have arrested our own. As I've indicated earlier, this is a culmination of months of lengthy investigation by Captain Keshi Mabunda. We were approached, as the SAPS, on allegations that one of our own was involved in insurance-related murders. So we roped in Captain Keshi Mabunda. Because of his expertise in solving similar cases, he started with the investigation, collected all evidence, analyzed it, worked closely with the insurance companies. We then obtained a warrant of arrest, and this morning we are executing this particular warrant of